हेलो, नमस्ते दोस्तों। आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल इस बुक से एक प्रॉब्लम करने वाले हैं। ये जो बुक है ये पब्लिश किया जाता है बाय I.S.I टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर बीस्टेट एमस्टेट फॉर बीस्टेट एंड बीमेथ एग्जामिनेशन। ओके, तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है। We have to consider a circle C with equation x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square equals to 1 and the parabola P with equation y square equals to 4x. Now we have to find the minimum value of the length of the segment AB as A moves on the circle C and B moves on the parabola P. Solution. The point on the circumference of the circle and the point on the parabola and the center of the circle will be collinear in case of minimum distance. Okay. The point on the circumference of the circle the point on the parabola and the center of the circle will be collinear in case of minimum distance between the circle and the parabola. Okay, so we will calculate minimum distance of the center of the circle calculate minimum distance of the center of the circle from the parabola and then we will subtract the radius to get the required result. Subtract the radius to get the required result. Okay, now let any point on the circle be t square comma t. This is a parametric equation of any parabola. Point on the parabola is equals to t square comma 2t, and the center of the circle is equals to 2 comma 8. Therefore the distance between these 2 points can be written as d is equals to root over t square minus 2 whole square plus 2t minus 8 whole square. Therefore the d square is equals to t square minus 2 whole square plus 2t minus 8 whole square. Okay, now we have to find the minimum value of d. Therefore we have to uh, find the first order derivative of d square and then equate it to 0 to find the minimum value of d. Therefore, we get 2t square minus 2 multiplied by 2t plus 2 into 2t minus 8 multiplied by 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, t cube minus 2t plus 2t minus 8 is equals to 0. This results in t cube equals to 8. Therefore, t is equals to 2. Now d2 d square dt square is equals to 3t square is greater than 0 at t is equals to 2. So d square has a minimum value at t is equals to 2. Therefore, we can say that d square minimum is equals to 2 square minus 2 whole square plus 2 into 2 minus 8 whole square, and this results in 20. Therefore, d minimum is equals to 2 root 5. Okay. Therefore, the required distance is 2 root 5 minus 1, as the radius of the circle is equals to 1. Okay. So this is the required result, and that's all for today. And we sort of just classes provide different study materials and mock test series for different I.S.I entrance examinations. So you can join us, and for further details you can check our website, which is www.sortofsuchclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. So thank you very much.